Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to disable songs in Chrome browser. So guys, very easy. Firstly, click on three dot. After click on settings, and here click on turn on songs. Click on I am in, and if you want to turn off, so click on. After click on turn off, that is after use your account and Gmail and password. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable or enable songs in Chrome browser. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.